Welcome to the channel. Today I got 2012 BMW 1 Series. Basically MOT fail, screen washer not working. Normally screen washer legal requirement in UK. If your screen not clear properly, you have to sort out sooner. If you leave it, they can fine you. Careful, this is legal requirement in UK. However, MOT fail, and we'll see what's happened for the screen washer. I'm going to start the car. See, you can hear just tiny bit fluid coming out. First of all, I'm going to open the engine, switch off the car, open the bonnet, and this is screen washer line. What I'm going to do, I'm going to all the way up until here, and I'm going to remove from here and check the pressure for there. When you do it gently, because if it snap here, you ending with another problem. Then do it very gently. Or what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray WD-40 little bits around this area and try to remove. It's a bit easy. If your vehicle has a stuck something like this is the miracle item. Take your own time. Right, it's out. I'm leave it like that and try to operate the washer and have a look what's going on there. Cardboard here. I don't want to mix up inside engine bay electrical connectors. Then the spray come out of the engine. Nothing, no? See you can see tiny bit coming there. That's mean that all line fine. Then we don't want to worry about the nozzle area. What we have to do, this is screen washer bottle. We need to remove underneath wheel arch, remove the wheel, and we have to take access to the screen washer bottle. After that, I'm going to remove the screen washer bottle and show you what's going on there. Basically, you can hear screen washer pump buzzing noise. That's mean the pump working. However, they are not send fluid until they are. That's why the all causing problem. Right. I'm going to jack up the car and going to remove the wheel. Just need to press in middle bit. That's it. Then after that, you can remove the plastic clips. Once I remove the wheel latch, then I can find the other connectors inside there. Then after that, there is a 8mm head screw, and also there is another 10mm head. That's a 10mm head. Combination of 8mm, 10mm, and plastic clips. Now there is a underneath another torque head also well with combination 10mm. Better to remove that side, and then after that we can take the whole wheel latch. Right, now we can remove the panel. Right, now it's easy. Okay, now we have access to the bottle. You can see underneath here. Now I'm going to remove the bottle. Right, now I'm going to pick up that clips. We remove it's in here. If you want, you can pick up the things. See the one. If it not, I have another clips there. This is the two. Normally what you have to do when you're going to remove this side clips, you can this one here, just press in, then after that this one go in, then after that you can remove this plastic clips. However, another one should be somewhere, but I couldn't find it. Anyway, I'm not bothered because I can find out later. I'm going to leave like this tray underneath to catch the fluid. Next step, this is the supply line. I'm going to remove here, and after that we need to lift up this clip and just pull out. Right, it's out. Look at that. This is the problem. You can see, I'll show you in a minute. Right, this is the causing problem. You can see like this thing, because this one come into the nozzle in the screen washer, then it's blocked. Always see, this why the causing problem. I'm say this one because we are using many chemicals, depend on the supplier. Sometimes you can use it the couple of brand for the last, this is 2012 until 11 years you are using several brand. What happen, one chemical react with the other chemical, then after that automatically inside like this thing build up, then after that it block the whole nozzle. That's why the main cause for this problem. However, I need to remove this bottle and rings inside, take out every junk thing like this. After that it should be fine. Then after that, once you do the repair, because this is very expensive repair, once you do it, make sure use one brand screen washer, leave it for the in the boot. Even if you go to the garage for the service or something, ask them to use the same liquid. Don't going to mix up the liquid. That's why this causing the problem. After that, right, this is wiring harness. Then after that I had to remove number 10 mil one nut here. Then after that I can remove this bottle. Before that I need to disconnect from here. It's holding plastic clip. Right, it's out. Leave it as it is. There's another one. Need to remove here. Right, both out. After that, pull from the top side. Basically, this is coupe model. It's a 1 series coupe, because the 1 series normally half a tank it's inside. This one all the way tank until here. We have to remove the front cover to take out the bottle. Actually, I don't want to take a bottle out. I can remove from here and do the things. But however, because of your reference, I'm going to remove whole arch and bottle. Yeah, look like two screws there. I'm going underneath now. I don't know, I'll remove everything underneath. I don't want to come again underneath. Should be now okay. Now again, this one need to go back. I'm going to remove full cover. Right, now again bend down this area, the front bottle. And right, it's out now. Now what you have to do, remove this pump. First I'm going to remove the here a little bit. Oh, sometime when I leave it outside, yeah, I'm able to remove the pump here. Look at that. Look at that, all junk thing coming out from here, and the same time you see the tip. See, that's why all causing the problem. This is very common for the BMW because some people broken this mess here, but however I don't want. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to clean that one. You can remove it like this. See, all clog up. Right, that one I'll leave it outside, pump outside, and after that need to remove this connector. This is for the sensor for the water fluid level. Right, after that I'm going to remove here also well, plastic connector. Right, it's out. Right, now free to remove the bottle. See, still junk thing coming, you can see. ah ah this the cause. That's why all blocked. Right, now I'm going to take to the tap and clean this one and clean this one. When you top up the water, leave it open, then everything coming out from the hole. See, it's coming out. When you do couple of time like that, whole thing come out. I'm going to close the lid and top up again. After that, I'm going to shake the bottle, whole thing going up and down. Leave it. See the things coming out. Yeah, now I can see underneath, nice and clear. Right, that's it for that job. Then after that I need to clear this one. I'm going to take to the compressor this one. Some people sometime break this mesh around this area, temporary, okay, but after that what happened, whole junk thing going to your screen washer knob. Not good, I'm not recommended, better to clean and install as it is. See, all fine. Right, nice and clean now. Now I had to install everything. Right, this one going to here. Right, after that it's going to sit on here. Yes, press in the thing. When you're going to install, this tab need to go to the body inside. When you do it, just lined up there. After that, this lock going in, then after that you are fine. Right, now whatever I'll remove, I'm going to install. First need to do this sensor. It's in. After that, make sure this connector here, it's in. This one, and press in. Right, it's okay now. Now need to install to the screw. And this clip here, remember the inside knob I said to you, it's need to go to the body. Make sure once it lined up, it's coming automatically to correct place. Right, when it's going, this one nicely going to be lined up here. Do it, if it sit on bottom one and the top one, this hole going to be lined up nicely. See, then after that just do the tight for the bottle. That's it. Then after that need to connect this wire connector, and same time this one just push in. That's it. That's it. All should be tucked in. Then I'm going to leave it everything. Then next step, I'm going to use Napa brand antifreeze screen washer. Then I'll pass message to the customer when they're going to do ask to do the Napa brand for until keep the car with them. Right. At the moment that's enough. Then the next step, I'm going to connect this connector here. No need to check because we know the problem now. Right. Now have a look what happened to the screen washer. Have a look. Right. Now you know what's the problem. Yeah, because using different screen washer, different makes, not good. Right. After that I had to install covers, this cover, other one, wheel back, everything fine, but problem done. Hopefully you got the message from me. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Yeah, see you with the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, whatever. Thank you.